Right.
So how this has been created? By compiler. Okay. So whenever you compile the Java code, compiler will check all the code in your Java file. So do you have you written all the code correctly or not? Any syntax mistakes and all. So it will check by the compiler. So if everything fine, compiler will create a dot class file. So compiler will create a dot class file. Now, if you wanted to see the output, so how can you see that one? Only when you compile the program, when dot class file has been generated, then only you see the output. How to see that output? Using JVM, runtime, JRE. So just give Java test. Now you see this output, right? Hello. You see this one?
Yes.
So see, which one is easy for you, using Eclipse or using Notepad?
Of course, Eclipse.
Eclipse. Because if you go with the Eclipse, you don't need to compile the program. But how we can able to see the output without compiling the code? See here, we are compiling the code. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this file. I'm going to delete this dot class file. So now if I try to execute a program without compilation, let us see what will happen. Could not find or load main class test because there is no dot class file, right? So, and we are not able to run the program without having the dot class file. But in Eclipse, have we created any dot class file? You are directly running the program and we are seeing the output. Then how this can be able to happen? I'm 100% sure without having the dot class file, we cannot able to run the Java program. But is there any dot class file? Do you see any dot class file here?
No, there's no class file.
Just copy this one. Go to desktop. Paste over here and open the. So here source, in the source com app, we have a test.java file. Now go to bin com app. See, that class file is there or not?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So how it has generated? It has been generated by the Eclipse. Okay, automatically. You don't need to compile the program in Eclipse. Okay, but
Yep.
so here you will not see that dot class file, but if you copy and check in the file system, so there you will see the dot class file. So, but those dot class file will not be able to, you are not going to viewable under the project. Okay, so you got it? Any questions?
No, we're good.
Okay, fine. So let me know. Check whether do you have installed Java and Eclipse. So if you need any help, let me know. I will try to install in your machine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then.
How long is this course gonna be?
So I'm planning to complete it by next month, 19th.
Oh, just 1 month, huh?
Yes, 1 month, 4 weeks, and every day 1.5 hour. Okay, and so in the weekends we may need to stretch some more time. Okay, so nearly 2 hours. Okay.
So it's gonna be 7 days a week?
I hope so. And if you have any issues on any day, so then we'll skip that session. Okay, that day.
Yeah, it will be better if it's only weekdays.
So let's have a week off on Sunday. 1 day.
Can we get 2 days off?
2 days. Maybe we may 2 days off. So actually we give 1 day off. Okay, so if you have, if you
previous
have,
said that we will have Friday, Saturday off.
okay, so no problem. So if you have any work on Saturday, we can have off on the day. Okay, otherwise we'll take the session. So if it is not mandatory, so no problem. So I will discuss with Naren and okay, I'll let you know.
Yeah, just discuss and let us know, please.
Okay, fine, no problem.
So it's going to be 1.5 hours each every day, right?
Yeah, so no problem. So 5 days is also fine, but I thought to take some. So because we are planning to complete it by 19th, right? That's why. Otherwise, we would also give. We would also take 2 days week off.
Right.
Okay.
I mean, there's no hurry to complete it by 19. We can do one more week.
Okay, fine. So in that case, I'll discuss with Naren. Okay, I'll discuss with Naren, and I will.
One more question is, are you going to start from the basics?
Yes. I'm going to start from basics. So.
Because I have no programming language. I work in.
Okay. So you don't have any idea about Core Java, right?
No.
Okay, fine. So you all guys don't have any idea about Core Java? Okay, fine. No problem. So I'm going to cover from Core Java. Okay, don't worry.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Sir, can you tell me how to install the Eclipse?
So do you have installed Java?
No.
So first you need to install Java. Okay.
Okay.
Go to some. JDK download. Okay. Now you see that the first link, Oracle, from Oracle website, you will see the first link and click on it.
Okay.
And you will be seeing that this many links. First, first check whether which version you want. So which operating system in your machine. So based on the operating system, they will be provide you different softwares versions types of JDK. Okay. So which operating system that you are using?
That Windows 7.
Windows 7. So now.
Yeah, 32 bits, sir. I think IF586, that one. Yeah.
So this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So download this one. Download and install. So this is exe file, right? You can directly install.
Okay.
So after installing this one, so first before downloading, you need to accept the license. This one, okay? Check one.
Okay.
So now download and install that one. So after installing Java, okay, search again for Eclipse.
Okay.
So my suggestion is, so if you try to install the Eclipse, there are two kinds of version. So one is Java SE and one is Java EE. Try to install Java EE.
Okay.
Java SE will work only for core Java till core Java. Okay. So and you cannot work with any advanced Java concepts. So that's why. So IDE for Java EE. Okay.
Okay.
The same story again. So if based on your operating system, choose. See here it is. Here downloading links are available, right?
Yeah.
Right. So which one? So it is 32-bit now. 32-bit. So this is the first. So first you need to check which Eclipse. Java EE. Okay.
Yeah.
Java EE and based on the operating system.
Yeah.
So do this one, and if you need any help, I will try to install in your machine tomorrow.
But sir, that 64-bit is not supported, sir.
No. Try to download 32-bit only.
Okay, okay.
Here you have two options, right? 32-bit and
Yeah.
64, two are there. Okay. So first download
Okay.
and try to install. And if you have any
Yeah.
issues tomorrow, I will try to install in your machine. But
Okay,
before,
okay. Thank you, sir.
yeah.
Yeah.
So make sure that these two available in your machine before we install. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So I hope if anybody has installed Eclipse, make sure that you need to install Java EE version. Okay.
Okay.
So any questions? Okay, fine. So when you download the Java, okay, JDK,
Yeah.
so it will
Yeah.
have two components. It will have two
Yeah.
components. So one is Java compiler.
Yeah.
Another one is JVM. You heard these two things? Anybody? There are two components. Next one is JVM. So why we require these two components?
One for compiling,
Yes, one for compilation and one for running. So
running.
yeah, we see that two things, right? So what is Java C?
Compile.
Compiler. So C means
Yeah.
compiler. So
Yeah.
why this what compiler will do? The compiler will check your program. Any syntax mistakes are there? Any any classes that you are using? So those are correctly coded or not. So the compiler job is checking your program. And after checking your program, what it will do? It will create a dark class file.
Yeah.
Okay. So first,
Okay.
I have created test.java, right?
Yeah.
So this test.java file will be submitted to the Java compiler. How can I submit the Java compiler to Java compiler? Using a command called javac test.java. So now Java compiler will generate what? What it will generate?
Dot class.
Yes, it will generate a dot class file. The class file name will be the same like whatever the class name that you have given. Test dot
Java.
class CLASS. So now this class file should be the input to JVM. You got it? Now this class file
Yeah.
I am going to submit to the JVM. So now this JVM will give us what? Output.
Output.
So how to submit this dark class file to the JVM? What is the command? Java test. This is the command. See, first what command that I have used? Java C. So
Java
it
C.
has, yes, it has generated dark class file. Now, which command I have used to run the program? Java and class name.
Yeah.
Okay, this gives us output. So what is the output in our case? Hello. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is how the flow will be. So how to check the two components in our Java package? So wherever you have installed. So I have installed in my C drive. Go to Java.
Program files.
Is there?
Program files, not program files, x86.
Yeah, here. So I have installed JDK. Open bin. See here, this is the command to launch the Java compiler, right?
Yeah.
You have this command, and you have another command called Java. These two are two commands. So this is to launch the compiler. This is to launch the JVM. Okay. These two are very important. So any questions?
No.
So today what you are going to do, try to, after installing Eclipse, try to create a class or write a Java program, a simple Java program, and try to execute that one. And the same program, you just try to execute using
Eclipse without using Eclipse.
Yes, without using Eclipse command prompt. Okay. So, any questions so far? So remember these two things. So in coming sessions, we are widely going to use these terminologies called Java compiler and JVM. Okay. So in the JDK, under the JDK, you will be having two components: compiler and runtime environment, JVM.
What's JVM?
So
Java virtual machine.
Yes, runtime environment.
Oh.
Okay. So we are going to discuss more about JVM in the coming sessions.
Cool.
Okay, guys. So any questions? So regarding course content or regarding schedule. So regarding.
Sir, how to get the recordings, class recording, this section?
Recordings I'm going to upload every day, and I will share you that link. Okay. So you can download those links, recordings, and whatever I'm going to write this kind of paint and all. Okay. So I'm going to upload there. You can get it from there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
And I'm going to share my mail ID.
Okay.
So just send me that test mail to that mail ID so that I will send you the recording links. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and please discuss with Naren. Let us know the schedule and everything.
Sorry?
I said please discuss with Naren. Let us know the schedule. And
yeah. Fine. No problem. No problem. So I will discuss with Naren about it, and so probably will. So if everybody is okay with having 2 days off on week, so we'll go with that only.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Okay, guys. So today I'm not taking much time for this session. Okay. So actually tomorrow onwards I'm going to start the course. Okay. Be ready with the softwares. Okay. So at least if you don't have any idea to install, just download the software. Then I will install in your machine. So because it will take some time to download in the session. Okay. So before, just download and keep in your machine. Then if you have any issues, I will try to install in your machine.
Okay.
And also, can you send us the course catalog? What all you're gonna cover?
Yeah, sure. You just so you got my mail ID, right? Everybody see that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just send me a test mail to that one. I will share the course curriculum also.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. And so remember that first it would be one and a half hour session, and first 1 hour will be training, and remaining half an hour will be project. Half an hour.
Okay.
Okay. 1 hour training and half an hour project. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.